Inside a factory, a serious accident occurred while lifting a steel coil. These coils weigh tens of tons. If the balance shifts even slightly, someone's life can be in danger. A worker was slowly adjusting the coil with a machine, but suddenly the coil lost balance and crashed down on him. He fell to the ground, and his lower body may have suffered severe injuries. This is exactly why semi-trailer drivers hate transporting steel coils. As the saying goes, better to starve than to haul coils, because the risk factor is extremely high. In most trucks, coils are placed vertically, but if sudden brakes are applied, inertia can send the coil crashing straight into the driver's cabin. Placing the coil flat is possible, but unloading becomes nearly impossible since each coil weighs at least 10 tons and sometimes more than 30 tons. Some suggest changing the direction, but in reality, there is no easy solution. Although there are specialized trucks designed for carrying coils, their cost is very high and efficiency is low, so most coils are still transported with ordinary semi-trailers. Warning: safety warning. Handling or transporting steel coils is extremely dangerous. Always use proper equipment, follow strict safety protocols, and never attempt to move coils without professional training. Neglecting safety measures can result in fatal accidents.